When I launched my first website, I had just $3 in my account and zero idea which host to choose. I wanted something cheap, but not trash. So here's my short list of best budget-friendly hosting provider in 2025. All tested and beginner approved. Hey, I am from WebTech and I help beginners build website the smart way. These hosting picks are not only affordable, they are reliable, secure and beginner friendly. A good budget most helps you learn, grow and build confidence without emptying your wallet, and yes, you can get solid performance under $3 per month. Top 3 budget hosting provider or top 3 is Host Armada. It's an hidden gem. Host Armada gives insane value for around $2.49 per month. You get free daily backups, light-speed servers, and strong security even on shared hosting. Pros: performance and security. Cons: less well-known, fewer tutorials. In our list number 2 is Namecheap, best for simplicity. Namecheap is known for domains, but their stellar hosting plan at $1.58 per month. Surprisingly solid, free CDN, auto backups, and great uptime. Pros: cheapest with backups. Cons: fewer advanced features. Our top 1 is Hostinger, best overall. Hostinger start at just $2.49 per month. You get fast SSK storage, a free domain, free email, and easy control panel. Great for WordPress beginners. Pros: fast, affordable beginner UI. Cons: basic support on cheapest plan. Always choose the longest plan to lock in the cheapest price. Monthly plans look small, but they add up fast. And watch for renewal rates. The ratio price is low, but year 2 might jump. Set reminders or try host with fixed pricing. Choose hosting if you want performance plus value. Pick Namecheap for ultra low cost, simple start. Go for Host Armada if you want speed and safety at a discount. Budget doesn't mean that. Win these 3, you will get online without breaking the bank and upgrade later when you grow. Which one are you learning toward? Comment below. I will help you compare plans. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's build smart even on a small budget.